All right, guys, let's go over Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin about to explode? Like literally explode? Let me give you guys some signs of why this is possible, okay? I'll show you guys real quick. We just ended up going 62 for 62 wins on this channel. If you guys have not been following me, it might be a time to follow, guys. We haven't lost a trade on this channel yet. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. I'll show you guys my personal account here that I'm trading with, $11,309 in here. These are all my trades in here. You can see everything is transparent. I am going to be looking to add some more to this because I want to be taking advantage of something I'm seeing come up here, and I will release that in another video coming soon. So make sure you definitely subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm just telling you. The trades here that we're about to be taking are going to be insane. All right, let's get into Dogecoin here. Give me a second. I'm going to show you guys how to get over into... let me just say this. I'm sorry. I've got so much going through my mind right here. I'll show you guys why we could pump. If you guys want to know how I'm winning these trades, I will show you guys at the end of this video how to get in, how to take all these trades. We're trying to go 65 for 65, even possibly 70 for 70 wins in the next 10 days here to push us up there. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. Let's focus on the indicators right now, and then let me show you guys why I think Dogecoin could just be preparing for a huge pump here. I'll show you that with blockchain metrics here. So let's dive right in, guys. Taking a look at this, we are pushed down into the bottom section here of the trend exhaustion. When this happens down here, this is historically when we do see pumps back up in the market. Literally, guys, this doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out, that when we push down to the bottom red sections here, this is when the price is dropping out, it's consolidating, and then we see nice moves back up. Like, just look at every single time this has happened in the market. We see pumps every single time. It is not even like, look, let's go over here. Let's pull over here. Let's pull two more. So we see the move down here. Obviously, we saw the bounce back up here, and we see this right here. We even saw the move back up in ADA here as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looking for the 7th move up right now. When something is this accurate, guys, you really need to pay attention to this. Now, here's why I look at the well money flow, the price versus the well money flow indicator as well. When you guys see double correlation here, please follow and listen carefully here. When you see the well money flow, the green line, push down to the bottom, as well as the trend exhaustion push down. This is going to calculate the flow of money. This is going to calculate the trend, the price action here, okay? When you see both of these close to the bottom sections here, this is when we can start seeing moves back up in the market faster, okay? When we saw this down here, very nice move up. Lower section, a nice move up. Lower section, a very nice move back up. There are times when you guys will see this push down here and we're not actually really that low. We're still sitting in about the middle section here where we don't get that much of pumps. So the question I've been getting asked, it's such a brilliant question by you guys, is how can we have double confirmation of the biggest moves to happen in crypto before they happen? It's watching the low point on the price versus the well money flow here, as well as the trend exhaustion. These indicators right here, pair them together. That's how we're looking for moves up. Now, this move right here may not be the fastest and greatest move up here. And why do I say that? It's because we are at a high point here. Now, if this trend exhaustion was low and the price versus well money flow was low, what would I be expecting? Nice moves up in here in the market. Obviously. Why? Because they're both low. What we could be seeing is a nice move up here and then actually another move back down here. But let me show you more proof in here. Let's give us a little bit more here to help us predict this. Guys, real quick, this indicator is going up in 11 days. That's all you guys have left. 11 days and it's going up in price. I'm also going to raise the price of the trend exhaustion as well. I'll show that to you guys in the second half of this video. I want to get into the actual metrics right now for Dogecoin. This is so important. These are going to update in 28 minutes at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are sitting down here. If we had to choose if we are closer to greedy or if we're closer to anxious and fearful, we are definitely sitting down here closer to this anxious and fearful section. Right now, however, we are sitting in the neutral section right now. Let's move down one more metric and look at what's happening here, guys. I have not seen this happen on any of the top 10 coins. This is not happening. Bitcoin, maybe a little bit. You guys can see this happening here. I'll just show you this real quick where you are seeing long trades increasing here. But the intensity of it is nothing close to what Dogecoin is seeing right now. Long trades are skyrocketing right now, and the price has not seen a huge increase. We can clearly see this here. From a blockchain metric here, we are seeing that short trades are not increasing, but long trades are increasing, and the price has yet to go up significantly, okay? What does that mean? This means this could be an incredible pump getting ready to happen. Let's zoom out to the 1-day time frame and give perspective. Look at where we're at, guys. It's not like we're trying to FOMO into this at top prices up here. We're down here at the low here looking for possible moves back up. This is why I keep telling you guys, ADA, Dogecoin, VET, and Ethereum. These are my top picks right now. And I have one more pick that I'll probably release a video on maybe the rest sometime later this week, which I'll probably call like a wild card. I don't have metrics for it, but it's going to be a wild card that probably is going to take off here. And I'll show that to you guys later. Anyways, the point being here is like, do you guys just visually like look at where we're at? Like we're down here at the bottom. This has crazy potential. One tweet by Elon Musk saying that we are officially accepting Dogecoin for Tesla and this thing is going to skyrocket, okay? Super low prices. This is why I want you guys to get in here. I'll show you how to do this in a second here. Okay, moving down here, watch that. What we're going to see here for long and short trade risk is we're pushed up into this good short trade area. Why? Because we're seeing pumps up in price, and it correlates here if we move down here to looking for the well and institutional smart money to be looking to go short. Now, you're going to ask me, Travis, what's happening here? This indicator down here is telling us that they're looking for shorts, but long trades are increasing. Yes. Do we know for a fact that Dogecoin is going to go up? No, absolutely not. And don't let anybody convince you that something is going to happen, that something should happen. Everything could happen. I know it's just maybe semantics there, but it's really true. This could happen. I'm not going to come out here and say, yes, we have to skyrocket. That's why in the thumbnails you see question marks. We're trying to predict this. What you guys are seeing is a little bit of a tug of war here. We see smart money coming out here and accumulating these short trades in here. We're saying, okay, usually from the past history of this, the sentiment of what smart money institutions and wells do is they look to short this because we're seeing this pump up in price. They've done this before, guys, and they have been absolutely accurate. They ended up shorting out here when we saw this pump up in the market, and that's where they made all their money back down. And they made a lot of it, by the way, too. If you guys come in here and you guys look at what this was in here, no one bought it at the top, no one sold at the bottom. This is 13%. Guys, 5x leverage, this is ridiculous. Almost 60%. 10x, that's 130% profit on a 10x leverage short position, okay? That's not even getting at the top or at the bottom. So they've been right before. They were also right in here when they came out and accumulated long trades at the bottom section here before we headed up. So I'm trying to show this to you guys of, yes, there's a tug of war right now. Could Bitcoin too. Could Bitcoin and Dogecoin, could they both explode? Yes. There is an interesting thing happening here where long trades are increasing because I think people are getting prepared for something. However, the well and institutional smart money in here is looking to accumulate short trades, and they have not been wrong very many times, okay? Just want to point that out. So let's continue assessing here to give us a little bit more data before we jump into this. I'll show you guys how to get into this trade to take advantage of this if this goes up or if it goes down. Yes, actually, if it goes both, I'll show you how to take advantage of this. So getting in at this price right here is not a bad idea. I'll show you guys how to do that. If this goes up, where are we going to go to? Simple. It's 27 cents. It's just simple structure high on the chart here. 27 cents puts us up here. This is where the target is for an entry. We are all in this trade here, for those of you guys who are following this channel, at 0.26%. Guys, only down 2.51% on the first buy limit. Like literally this is nothing. I'm still waiting for this to come in here and see some nice moves up here, possibly hit structure high up here. We'll probably take some profits around this area of about 10% and maybe take a trailing stop loss and try to get up here. And I'm going to try to win up here about 23% on this trade, guys. And this will probably be, I'm going to guess it's probably going to be our 65th or 66th win on the channel here. Okay. Moving down here, looking for entries here. This is a great place to get into. Now, are we going to call the bottoms every single time? No, but are we sometimes? Yeah, because this is a ridiculous call down here at the bottom before this moved back up. So this is basically holding for 5 to 10 years. Sorry, guys. Holding for 5 to 10 years in here, where you're just like, you know what? I'm going to put money into the market. I'm just going to hold it, and we're going to see what happens, okay? Looking at exit points in the market, we can see here that the accumulation here on the red bars happened in this area, and we started seeing it move back down. Watch for this to happen again as Dogecoin starts heading up here. We might see these prints, okay? Now in this section of the video, now that you guys see all that and you see it from technical analysis perspective, let me show you how to get into these trades and get into the next Dogecoin trade so you don't miss this. Because seriously, guys, we are still at a super low price here. Long trades increasing, a very good trade that you don't want to miss. Pricing, it's $49 a month, guys. Get in here. Yes, this is institutional grade. I have very large players in our Telegram channel over here. When I call exits in here, guys, if you watch an exit, I don't mean to be prideful about this, whatever. It's just kind of fun to watch. I know the people in this channel, the average person I coach has between $100,000 to $1 million. I do have some people in the multi-million dollars that I do coach. Guys, this is where you guys want to be staying here. We have increased the prices of some altcoins just by making calls in here, and I've shown that to you guys. Do you guys want to see this for fun? This is just like, I do this just because I think it's just kind of fun for you guys to see, and it's just kind of something we can do here. When we called out a trade here, I actually took a snapshot of this, of the moment we ended up calling this out on this channel, and I showed this to you guys on the exchange for Coinbase. I don't know if look at this. This is just for fun right here. I literally called it out right down here at the bottom, and this is what happened right after we called out in the channel. This was not at a great structure support at all. This is, again, let me be clear about this. This is on the 1 minute time frame, but in this channel, we have a lot of big players, so when you do enter trades, you're going to be be having a lot of money behind you, okay? Honestly, millions of dollars. So $49 a month gets you into the trade setups. This gives you access to all the metrics, and it comes over here and it gives you access to all the buy limits, which is the most important part down here, okay? So we are on the trade today for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin, you're going to click into this. What you're going to see today is you're going to see something that looks exactly like this. I'm going to use Bitcoin as an example. Right now, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price of Dogecoin. What you're going to do is take your trade allocation. Let's say you have $1,000, pick whatever you want. Split it into fourths, so 25%, you're going to put it each buy limit, each of the 4 lines below the current price. Once your buy limit is tagged in, you're going to get it on discount, and then you're going to set up your sell limit up here for whatever the value is of the first yellow line above your buy limit. Once you do that, come down here and click Telegram and make sure you're logged in Telegram first. That's a hot link, and it will add you into the group over here where this is continuously growing, where I'm calling exits over here and giving you guys profitable setups, okay? This is where we're logging our 62 for 62 wins on this channel that you guys can see down here, okay? Once you do that, the only thing left is, or maybe the first thing you guys should be doing, is getting the indicators so you can watch these predictions of moves up and moves down in the market. I've shown you the accuracy of this, guys, of these pumps in here. What you guys want to do is at minimum, guys, get the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. The bundle pack will give you all of our indicators for a seriously ridiculously cheap price. For those of you guys who want to just get everything, obviously, if you want to buy more, I'm going to give you a crazy discount. You get all these indicators plus 4 more, and there's tutorial videos of how to use every single one of them on our website at gumroad.com, okay? This will not be going up in price this month, so this will actually increase in value. Your indicators, once you purchase them, will increase in value. Like, you'll see the price you got it at, and you'll come back 1 month later and be like, oh man, I'm glad I got in because the prices just went up. And yes, you have 11 days and these prices are going to be going up, so make sure you guys snag those, okay? Get into the long trade for Dogecoin. You guys can actually get into the ADA trade with me right now. We are actually just now ticking into the profit for ADA, so good job for all of you guys who just watched that video. I'm sure people got in. They're pushing the price up with us here, so make sure you guys are getting into these trades. I'm going to try to go 65 for 65 wins this week, so make sure you guys are watching out for that. Maybe 70 for 70, we'll see. But make sure you guys have the indicators set up. Get the indicators before they go up in price. Make sure your membership is set up, $49 a month. Get over here. Let's make some profits, guys. God bless you so, so much. Let me know if you have any questions over email. I'll get over there right now so I can help you guys. And if you guys need anything, everything is in the description. Indicators, membership. Get it before the prices go up, and let's make some money. I'll see you guys later. God bless you. Bye-bye.